I get it. You checked out our stuff, but you're still not fully convinced. This is Ben. Ben wasn't fully convinced either to join the Amazon FBA program, but he ended up joining anyways and made over $100,000 in just a single month. But it's not just Ben. This right here is Matt. Matt wasn't fully convinced either, but he ended up joining the family, and now he's making over $150,000 a month. This is Oksana. Oksana wasn't fully convinced either, but she ended up joining the family and taking a leap of faith. And you can see right here, she made over $511,000 in just a single month. And if you don't believe me, go check in my private group. You'll see Ben, you'll see Matt, you'll see Oksana all inside of our family, where there's over 3,500 people who are every single day becoming successful on Amazon. So you really only have two choices. Choice number one is you can do nothing and nothing is going to change. Or choice number two is you can join our family, take advantage of our program, right? Of our family. You have to act soon because this is closing down forever. So if you don't take advantage of it, you are going to miss out. So what you need to do right now is click the link somewhere around you on the screen right now and take advantage of this. And guys, just as a reminder, we have a 14-day risk-free money-back guarantee where if you join and you can't make it work, you don't like it, right? You don't like it for any reason, you can get your money back. You just have to do the work, and I promise you it is going to work. So don't wait, guys. This is your absolute last chance to join and create your empire and create a six-figure per month income selling on Amazon. So click the link somewhere here on the screen before it is too late and you miss out on your chance to make your empire on Amazon. And I want you to become my next biggest student success story, but to do that, you gotta click the link. So click the link somewhere you see here on your screen. We'll see you inside of the family, and I hope to see you as my next biggest student success story. See you there.